This video was released on Patreon earlier. If you'd like to watch my videos before they're out on YouTube, check the link in the description. Hello everyone and welcome back to my top-down shooter tutorial. In this video I'm going to add a health bar to the enemy using the attributes controller we created in the previous video. Let's start with the widget. First open the widgets folder and create a new user widget. Name it W floating health bar. Next open that widget, set the desired size and add a size box. Set the width override to 150 and the height override to 20. Then add a progress bar. Ensure that its variable is checked and rename it to health bar. Now let's tap a bit of styling for the progress bar. For the fill color I choose red. Then configure the background tint. I made it darker and reduce the alpha to lower its opacity. Next open the graph. Add a variable called character attributes controller of type TDS attributes controller. Make this variable instance editable and expose on spawn. In the construct event, add assignments to onHealthChanged, and to onMaxHealthChanged. Right after call broadcast attributes. In onHealthChanged, promote the new value to a variable called health. And in onMaxHealthChanged, promote the new variable to a variable called maxHealth. We also need to create a function called update%. Inside this function, get health bar and call set%. And set input to health divided by max health. After that, check if health is equal to max health. If it is, set the health bar visibility to hidden. If it isn't, set the visibility to visible. Finally, call update% in onHealthChanged and in onMaxHealthChanged. Then open BP enemy and add a widget component and rename it to health widget. Move it above the enemy head. Change the space setting to screen. And seek draw as desired size. Now open the event graph. Add a begin play event. And call the parent function at the start. Next, create a floating widget. Set the owning player to result of getPlayerController. Then call getAttributesController and set it to CharacterAttributesController. Next, set that widget to widget of health widget. Now it's time to test everything and see how it works. And it works perfectly. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!